Hey, first grade friends. I'm here with my son Harrison. Say hello.
Hi.
He is going to help me with our lesson today. We are going to be working on a phonics lesson and we're going to be introducing some sounds. So, our activity today is called Spotlight on the Sound. I tried to find my flashlight, but I didn't, so I have my phone, my spotlight. So, that means we are going to focus on some sounds today. And we're going to be listening for those sounds, and Harrison's going to help me with that today. Okay, so you're going to be making and reading words that are going to have short A sounds, and there's going to be consonants. Let me back up for a minute. What does the short A sound like?
Ah.
Sounds like ah. So you say that. Say ah. Say it.
Ah.
And then short A. So A is a vowel, and vowels have a lot of different sounds. So the short A says ah. And then consonants we're going to be focused on is, oh, I forgot to show you. Here's A. Okay, this is our sound language for A. Our consonants that we're going to focus on this week are N, and N looks like this. You put 2 fingers up, 2 fingers down, put your thumb right there in the middle. That's the letter N, and N sounds like, what does the N sound like? Very good. Then we're going to practice D, and D is like, be careful.
Okay.
It's like your circle, putting these fingers, and then you put your pointer finger up. This is D, the letter D, and D says
Da.
da,
As a doggy.
as in dog. We're going to focus on P, and P is really cool. So you put your fingers up like this, put your thumb in the middle, and then put it down. That's the letter P.
I thought that was funny when I was.
Okay, so that's the letter P, and the letter P says.
As in popcorn.
And then our last one is the letter C, and a C, it looks just like this in sign language, and it says, for this one, we're going to do the k sound, okay? K, because sometimes the letter C makes another sound. So we're going to be listening for the beginning sounds, and I want you to tell me what you hear. Harrison's going to be my student, so you're going to be answering the questions just like he's answering the questions, okay? So I'm going to say a word, and then you're going to say the beginning sound that you hear. So I'm just going to say the word, and whatever beginning sound you hear, you're going to say it, and you're actually going to show me your sign language for that beginning sound, because I think you can remember them.
Hopefully
Okay.
I can.
Hopefully you can. Okay, so here we go. The first word is pan. What beginning sound do you hear, Harrison? Show it to me. Letter P. Good job. I hope you did that too. Okay, now let's do another word. What about the word cat? What do you hear? Say it out loud.
Cat.
Nope, say the beginning sound.
Oh. K.
Not
C.
K. No,
C.
you say the sound.
C. Cat.
Okay, but the sound is k, so you would say k. Okay, awesome. Try the word nap. What beginning sound do you hear when you hear the word nap? N looks like this.
Grumpy in.
Okay, it's not grumpy.
Well, sometimes it is. Like.
Okay, what about dad? What do you hear? What's the beginning sound?
D.
D, which says
Dad.
D. Okay.
Dad.
Yes, but it says D.
D.
Okay. So he's coming up with other words too. So now let's go into the part where what words do you know that start with this letter? So what is a word that you know that starts with the N sound? Give me one. Noon. Okay, that's a good one. What about a word that begins with the D sound? Think about it. D. Do you have one?
DJ.
DJ. That's a good one. I like that. What about a word that begins with the letter P?
Poppers.
Poppers? Okay. Poppers begins with the letter P.
Is
What about-
that really a word?
Sure. What about a word that begins with the C, which makes the K sound?
Cat.
Cat. Okay, very good. Awesome. Now, let me ask you this question. We did beginning sounds, and we heard those beginning sounds, but how can you figure out what the ending sound is in a word? What do you listen for?
The ending sound when you say the word.
The ending sound when you say the word. Excellent. Okay. Well, let me ask you this question. What ending sound do you hear when I say the word mad?
D.
Oh, he heard it. D. He heard the D sound at the end of the word mad. What is the ending sound for tap?
P.
P. Tap. He heard the sound P at the end of the word tap. Did you hear that? What about the ending sound in the word Dan?
N.
N. Dan. He heard N. Excellent. What about, let's do sack.
K.
This one's tricky.
Oh, it's a C.
No, you're right. It's a CK.
Oh.
I tricked you. But it makes one sound. CK makes one sound, and it says K. That's a tricky one.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
That's a
First grade.
That's a tricky one. Yes. Okay.
I don't get that mixed up in writing.
So now we're going to do some spotlight. Where's your flashlight? Spotlight on some letters.
I don't have one.
We don't have our flashlight. Okay, so we're gonna do
I don't have a light.
Okay, we're gonna do a spotlight on the letters. So I'm gonna show you a picture, and I want you to name what you see on this picture. Are you ready? Hold on. I want them to say it first. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go. What do you see?
Look, just
What do you see, Harrison?
alligator.
Alligator. Alligator. Oh, listen to the beginning sound. What does alligator begin with?
A.
A. It begins with the letter A, and it makes that short A sound. And the short A says
Ah.
ah. The short A says ah. Now remember, A is a vowel, and it can stand for many sounds. Okay, so listen to this word. This word also begins with a short A. I'm going to put it right here. Can you see that word? Oh, here it is. At. 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 The word at also begins with the short A sound. Now, A is a vowel. I just said that. A is a vowel, and it can stand for many sounds. And T is a consonant. So listen to this. When there is only one vowel in a word, and it's followed by a consonant, the vowel usually stands for the short vowel sound. So that means this is a vowel, the A, and then the T comes after. And because there's only one consonant, it usually has that short vowel sound. Like ah. Okay, awesome. What is this a picture of? Next. It's a picture of a
Cat.
cat.
Yum, yum, yum.
And the word cat begins with the K sound. I have another word. Can you sound up my word?
Can't.
You didn't sound it out. Sound it out.
C-A.
You spelled it out. Sound it out.
Eh.
Ooh, good.
Oh, yeah. No.
Eh. Can. You can barely see that, can you? Sorry. Okay. Begins with a C as well. Okay. We have next. This is a picture of a
Duck.
duck. And duck makes the D sound. Duck begins with the D sound. Also, I have another word that you can sound out. Sound it out.
D. A. D.
Dad. Dad also begins with the letter D, like duck. Okay. Next picture.
A nest.
A nest. He got it right first. Did you say it before he did? This is a nest. Nest begins with the N. The letter N makes a N sound. Ooh, listen to this word. It has a short A in it too.
I'll get that.
Oh, it stuck to my pants. Okay, here we go. Let's try it. Ready? Sound it out with me. Nap. Nap. Here's that vowel followed by a consonant, so that vowel is short. Nap and nest both begin with the letter N and the letter P. Oh, here's porcupine, the letter P. And our last word. Here we go. Let's sound it out. P-E-N. Pan. There's that short vowel A followed by a consonant. Pan. Awesome. It begins with the P just like porcupine. Porcupine. Thank you so much, Harrison, for being a student on my video today.
You're welcome.
Did he do a good job? I think he did a great job. Thank you for watching, and I want you to be listening to those sounds that we talked about in our video today. So that is the spotlight on the sound. Bye, friends.
Bye.